The descent is good, for unity then becomes expressed in diversity, but in diversity there need be no concept of separation. So this entity was all over the void but never went anywhere. The story of Logos, the void, is when the time came to create the material universe, entered a state of deep meditation, centralizing their thought power upon the 7 flower-like centers of the 7 worlds. Gradually, this life force descended from the brain, which was the great superior world, and striking these flowers one after the other, gave birth to the lower worlds. When at last this spirit fire struck the lowest center, the physical world was created, and this fire was at the base of the spine. It is like the story of Cinderella. In a faraway, long-ago kingdom, Cinderella is living happily with her mother and father until her mother dies, which is the story of Sophia, or energy. Cinderella's father marries a cold, cruel woman who has 2 daughters. When the father dies, Cinderella's wicked stepmother turns her into a virtual servant in her own house. The stepmother and the 2 daughters are the lower seals of consciousness, and the fairy godmother is spirit, her divine director, and the ball is the dance of the Ida and Pingala, the feminine and masculine energies within us all.